Hi, my name is Jutta, and today we are going to create a simple cookie eating up animation in Procreate. So here we have an illustration of a chocolate chip cookie. I am showing you this technique with a round cookie because I love them, and it shows the concept quite well. You can adapt this principle for any other animation where an item vanishes step by step. To not damage my original, I will duplicate this artwork here in the project gallery. Tap Select, tap the cookie image, and then Duplicate. Now I will open up the duplicate. Here, I will merge all layers that belong to the cookie. So that leaves us with 2 layers only. Our canvas is ready for animation. Let's go to the wrench tool, Canvas, and then we toggle on Animation Assist. You might have noticed our background color has changed. The reason is that we have 2 layers which Procreate treats as frames. Previous frames will be shown with the so-called onion skin. And that's where the color change comes from. When we tap play, it will start our animation by playing one frame after the other in a loop. Woof! I'm getting dizzy when I look at it. Of course, that's not the result we want. Let's fix that. Of course, we want the turquoise background to be static and not part of the animation. So let's tap this layer in our Frames panel twice. On the bottom, it says Background. Let's toggle that on. And we see now the background color is back to normal, and when we play our animation, it's not switching between these 2 frames anymore because the background doesn't count as frame any longer. The next steps are super simple. We duplicate a frame and then erase parts of it. Let me show you. Tap the frame thumbnail with the whole cookie and tap Duplicate. Now I pick my eraser and just erase something like a crescent-shaped part of the cookie. And we can even leave some crumbles by not erasing all of it. Now there's a big chunk missing, and we can see the onion skin of the full cookie below. Let's bite off another chunk, duplicate this layer, and erase some more. And don't forget to leave some crumbs. Let's think about, where would you take the next bite? I would probably bite in right here. So let's duplicate this frame and erase another piece. Duplicate this frame, and the next bite will be here in the center. Duplicate again and take another bit off. Duplicate this frame once more and erase the big chunk. That leaves us with only crumbs. And I guess we all do it. We use our pointer finger to catch the crumbs in the end as well. So let's add a frame where there are no crumbs at all, which means we finished the entire delicious cookie. Simply tap Add Frame. Now let's see what we've got and play our animation. Oof, that is way too fast. Let's fix that in the settings. We turn down the frames by second. Let's try with 7 frames per second. Maybe a little bit slower. Let's try it with 4. That looks cool, but I guess I want a little break in between the loops when there's nothing but background. For that, we'll tap the last and empty frame and we bump up hold duration to about 3 or 4. Oh yes, that looks super cool. The downside is though, I am really hungry now. I hope we still have some cookies. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cookies are and how you like to eat them. And in next week's tutorial, I will show you how you can turn these animations into a GIF you can use for social media posts. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your animation on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post so that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, like this one and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!